All right guys, so I've been hammering on these rotors all night and a little bit today, and they're just not budging. So I picked up 2 of these bolts, which are 8mm by 1.25, and they will actually thread into these 2 holes here and here, and that will allow me to pop off these rotors. I know a lot of guys can take off the rotors without hammering, and some can get it off with a little bit of hammering. But in my case, no matter how much I hammer, they aren't coming off. And a lot of that is due to living in the Northeast. And even when it was in South Carolina or Florida, you know, there's still salt water and everything like that. So these hopefully will take care of my issue.
It's just you.